You're already late. You get in your car, press the start button or turn the key, and nothing happens. Panic sets in. But before you assume the engine is ruined, here are 10 common reasons your car won't start. And the last one is something most drivers never think to check. 10. Dead battery. This is the #1 reason cars refuse to start. If the headlights are dim or you hear only a clicking sound, the battery may not have enough power to crank the engine. 9. Loose or corroded battery terminals. Sometimes the battery is perfectly fine, but corrosion or a loose connection prevents electricity from reaching the starter motor. Cleaning or tightening the terminals may solve the problem. 8. Empty fuel tank. It sounds obvious, but faulty fuel gauges or simple forgetfulness can leave you stranded. Always check the fuel level before assuming there's a major problem. 7. Faulty starter motor. If you hear a single click but the engine doesn't crank, the starter motor or starter solenoid may have failed. 6. Bad alternator. The alternator charges the battery while you drive. If it fails, the battery eventually runs out of power, and the car may not start the next time you try. 5. Faulty key fob or immobilizer. Modern cars use electronic security systems. A weak key fob battery or an immobilizer issue can prevent the engine from starting even though everything else seems normal. 4. Fuel pump failure. The fuel pump sends fuel from the tank to the engine. If it stops working, the engine won't receive fuel and simply won't start. 3. Ignition system problems. Worn spark plugs, damaged ignition coils, or ignition switch faults can prevent the engine from firing properly. 2. Blown fuse or faulty relay. A small electrical component, like a starter relay or fuel pump. Fuse can stop the entire starting system. It's a simple problem that's often overlooked. And #1. The gear selector isn't in park or neutral. In automatic cars, the engine usually won't start unless the gear lever is fully in park or neutral. It's such a simple thing, but it's one of the easiest mistakes to make. The next time your car won't start, don't panic. Check these common causes first. You might save yourself time, money, and an unnecessary trip to the repair shop.